All right, everybody, so I'm going to show you a walkthrough tour of our room. So these are the hatch style doors out into the hallway. And then over here, just to the left as you're walking in, you can see the control panel for, locking the door and also for your light switches. And then as we come in here to the room, off to our right, you can see they've provided us with a lot of great things. They have given us some water. We have a commemorative coin. We have a little welcome aboard piece of paper to let us know what's going on, some information about the Halcyon. And then these water bottles and cups, as you can see here, are actually available for your use during your voyage. Just across from our little entryway table is our bathroom. So as we come in here, we can see that we have plenty of great lighting around this mirror. And we have a very awesome sink. Here's our full-length mirror and our toilet area. And then in here, we have our shower. And as you can see, this is a good-sized shower. It actually goes all the way back, and it does have a rainfall shower head. There are all of our soaps and shampoo and conditioners that are mounted to the wall. As we come out here, we can see our closet space. So we do have quite a bit of storage space here in this area. Several shelves, including a mini refrigerator as well as a safe. And then over here is our hanging closet space. And you can see we have an extra pillow and blanket up here. And we also have our robes that were provided for us. And as I come back into the main heart of the room here, you can see everything from the doorways themselves are actually themed, which is amazing. This is where we can contact our droid and find out any information that we need about what's going on aboard the Halcyon. And then we have our welcome screen here, as well as our map of our voyage. This is actually a single pull-down bed, which I will show in just a moment. Over here, we can see out into our surroundings and outer space. And you can actually push these buttons to lower the shade if you'd like to, if you want to not have the light of the surrounding planets coming into your room. Just a little table and storage space that you can pull out here and sit on those ottomans. And there's also additional storage under the bed. This queen-size bed sleeps 2 people. And then these bunks obviously also sleep 2 people, and adults can sleep on those bunks. So all total, between the 2 bunks, the queen-size bed, and this fold-down bed, you can accommodate 5 in this room. I'm going to show that fold-down bed in its down position now. And here is the main space with the bed pulled down. You can see I do still have plenty of room to walk, even with that bed space down. So again, here is one more view of our beautiful room aboard the Halcyon.